Right, this is something else that arrived in the post the other day. These are the modified power supply unit cables that you plug into the PSU for the motherboard, disk drives and such like. They'll look quite nice in the case. The standard ones that came with the power supply unit are all black, but I got these from Performance PC in Florida in America, and they're all white, every single one of them. And this one's the main PSU to the motherboard socket. It's the main power one. I'll be putting a few of these in to plug up the hard disk drives and the SSD drive. But obviously, when I get the video display card and the motherboard, then I'll be using some of these to plug them in. And I'll be making a YouTube video of when that process is done. Okay, thanks for watching. Hello there. My hard disk drives and my SSD drive just arrived from Amazon the other day, so I'll be putting these in to my PC this morning. What I've got is two 1 terabyte Western Digital black hard disk drives, SATA. One will be used for Windows files and software, and the other one will be used for the Linux Windows and software. I've also got myself a 1 terabyte SSD Samsung drive. Again, we get 1 terabyte. This will have Windows 10 and Linux on there, as I plan to dual boot the PC between the two operating systems. So obviously SSD drives work on data a lot faster than the hard disk drives. So I'll be using the SSD to boot the operating systems and to do any operating system work, and then as I said, these two hard disk drives will be used for data software storage for each operating system. So I'll be installing them this morning. Thanks for watching. Okay, right, I've now got the two hard disk drives and the SSD drive installed into the PC tower case. All you do is just push them back in, and then these close like that. And I've also, if you can see, SSD drive, I'll just put a torch just in there. That's it there. Just see the start of the word of Samsung in there. So they get, when you put them into the cradle, you push them in, and then what we'll do is there's two SATA interface slots here, so there'll be a cable connecting there into the motherboard when I eventually get that. We're starting to also now wire up power lead connecting from the SSD interface circuit board. I've then sort of looped it out here, and then goes back in through there and then into the power supply interface slots. I mean, it's a bit messy at the moment, but this will all be tidied up with wire ties at the end of the build. I'm also connecting up some of the fan controller leads now. There's about 6 of these little leads that then get connected up to the fans. You can see I've connected one up here, and that's for this fan in here. There's also another fan here, and that's also connected up. But that's all for the fan controller interface box that I put in here a few months ago. So the next thing to get now is the motherboard to go on here, the memory and the CPU. So that will be probably either next month or December's project. Okay, thank you very much.